Hello guys, welcome back. This is your weekly dose of engine startup. Let's start with the Audi 5-liter V10 TFSI engine. It was introduced in 2005 and was used in the Audi RS6 C6. With 4 valves per cylinder, the engine produces up to 580 horsepower. Let's hear how it sounds. Next engine is the Porsche 5.7-liter V10. The engine was developed by Porsche's motorsport division, and it is one of the most advanced engines ever produced by the company. Producing 605 horsepower, it allows the Carrera GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to not miss any content. The Toyota 1LR-GUE V10 engine was specifically designed and built for the Lexus LFA. The engine's redline is an astonishing 9,000 RPM, and it produces a unique exhaust note that is characteristic of a high-revving V10 engine. Next engine is the Audi 5.2-liter V10 FSI. It is a high-performance engine that is used in several Audi vehicles, including the S6 C6 and the S8 D3. Next engine is used in the Audi R8, the Lamborghini Gallardo, and the Lamborghini Huracan. It is an Audi 5.2-liter V10 FSI engine that produces up to 600 horsepower. Let's hear how it sounds. Chrysler V10 Viper engine is a high-performance engine produced by Chrysler from 1992 to 2017. The engine was designed and built specifically for the Dodge Viper sports car. The engine's displacement started at 8 liters in the first-generation Viper and later increased to 8.4 liters. Next engine is the BMW S85B50. It is a 5 liters V10 engine that was used in the BMW M5 and M6 from 2005 to 2010. It is a highly advanced and impressive power plant that delivers exceptional power, performance, and driving experience. But like any high-performance engine, it does require proper maintenance and care. First introduced in 1997, the Ford 6.8 liters Triton V10 engine was developed to be used in Ford trucks and vans. It is a modular engine, meaning that it shares some parts and design features with other engines in Ford's modular engine family, including the popular 4.6 and 5.4 liters V8 engines. It is known for its reliability and durability. And that's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next episode.